Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing some of my beauty boxes for the month of June. Yeah, I think these are June. Yeah. Anyways, I'm probably going to do another video later this month, probably in a couple weeks, maybe sooner, I don't know. But I'm going to unbox what I have now and we'll do the others later. So the first one we are unboxing is my Color Curate bag from So Susan. This is a $20.95 per month subscription. And it always comes with the super cute themed bag. Inside, of course, is a card with the theme. I think that's really cute. And of course, the items on the back with the prices. Now, it always says that this bag right here is listed at $12 per month, and it is a limited edition bag. Okay, so the first thing we got is this Lip Dome Plumping Lip Tint. I have not been using these very much, so I think I'm just going to pass this on and put that in a giveaway because I don't think I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. I do think it's a lovely shade. I do think that these products are pretty good. Again, I have a bunch of stuff like this and I'm not really using it, so I want to pass that along to someone who will. Okay, the next thing we got here is Lava Liner by Trifle Cosmetics. This is what the packaging looks like. It is waterproof, and this retails for $10, if I can get that out of the box. Super cute. I am probably going to pass this along too, not because I don't like it, but I have a lot of liners and I'm using some of them right now, so I'll let someone else enjoy this one. Alright, the next thing I got here is an odor minimizing hair mist. This is Citrus Dream from Trifle Cosmetics. This retails for $42. I'm really kind of curious about this. Let's see if it says anything on here. Okay, so this goes on your hair and it's supposed to neutralize different smells. Like for instance, if you go somewhere where there's heavy smoke, or if you work in a fast food restaurant, you're supposed to be able to put this in your hair and it neutralizes the smell. So I think that's a really cool idea and product, so I will definitely be trying that out. Alright, the next thing we got here is Biosphere and Canopy from Jelly Pong Pong. This palette is worth $38. So this is what the palette looks like. And here's the inside. I'm undecided if I'm going to keep that or not. The reason why is I have palettes upon palettes with these colors. And I know that I do love the formula for this brand and company. So I don't know. These colors are definitely speaking to me, so I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not, but I'm going to put it aside for now. Alright, we are moving into the next subscription. That is GlitzGlam right here. We don't do basic. Okay, that's what that says. This is a $15 a month subscription. And they always come packaged very, very cute. They look like this, which I think is adorable. And of course, there's this card with the theme, which is apparently a beach this year, or this month. And here is the back of the card with the items and a little bit of info and the prices on them. There was some saltwater taffy, which I do like saltwater taffy, and it is a gluten-free candy, so I get to eat it, and I'm very excited about that. Okay, first thing I got is this cute little brush right here. This is the Rainbow Seashell brush from GlitzGlamBox, and this retails for $3. I'm definitely going to use this. This is super, super duper cute. You can look at that. I just love it. And this month's lashes is the GlitzGlamBox Never Basic Lash Under the Sea edition. And this one is called Clam Shell, and this one retails for $12. Okay, next thing we got is Color Story Silk Lips, and this retails for $8. I do like these colors. I probably will use them, so I'm going to keep them. It says it's got nourishing lip butters infused with shea butter, so super good. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at them close up. We've got the first one here. This is coconut water. This is the turquoise looking one. And so these are actually lip gloms, so I guess there's really nothing else to show you. Let me smell it. It smells like coconut. So yeah, I definitely will be using these quite a bit. Okay, so I opened up this red one and it is not clear, it is red. But looking at it, it looks like it just gives it a hint of red. So I don't think it's gonna give you tons of color, but it will give you a nice pretty pink or red lips. So I do like this. Alright, the last thing in my Glitz Glam is this palette right here called Ocean Oasis. This is a pressed pigment palette. So this is also from Color Story. And this is what the inside of it looks like. These are really, really pretty eyeshadows. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them because I really like this palette and I really want to use it. Okay, so these are the colors swatched. They are a nice, good range of mattes, shimmers, and glitters. And they definitely give me a sea mermaid type vibes, and I really have no idea what all I'm going to do with this, but I am so in love with this. This is so pretty. Alright, now we are moving on to the box by Fashionsta. This is a $25 per month subscription box. So let's see what we got inside of this one. This is the card that they always send with the theme and the items on the back. Okay, so the first thing we have is Skin Shielding Essence from Nuria. I'm sure I'm saying it wrong, but that is the packaging. This retails for $36. Not entirely sure how you use this. Let's see if it says anything. Okay, so this product is supposed to help reduce the look of fine lines, dullness, and shield the skin from dust. So that is kind of interesting. Alright, there is the packaging for this. I almost want to say I've used this before. I feel like I have. I think from Test Tube Beauty, maybe. I don't know. But anyways, that is what it looks like. Next thing I got here is Cuticle Oil from Cutie Oil. I think that's right. It's called MIA. Yeah. That is what it looks like. It's very unique packaging. This retails for $22, and it is supposed to help your cuticles and nails. So that is very interesting. Okay, the next thing we got here is Floss. This is $18. This is a shea butter lip tint. It is sheer and it is in shade Suit. See what it looks like. Okay, so it is in another crayon type packaging. I really don't care for these kind of packaging. Products are usually fine, I just don't use them too much. So I am going to put that into a giveaway as well. Okay, next thing we got here is purple eyeliner from Makeup Geek. This retails for $7, and I like the idea of more different shades of eyeliner, so let's see what this looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the packaging, or box, whatever you want to say. I guess the lid is purple. I didn't notice that first. It kind of looks black in person, but on camera you can see that the lid is purple. So here's the color swatched. It is kind of a brownish purple. It's definitely more on the purple side, but I feel like it's got some brown undertones, but I do like it. I think it's really pretty. Okay, the next thing we have is Lavido Age Away Hydrating Cream for $55. Okay, so this is supposed to help with the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles as well. It's trying to tell me I'm getting old, which I know. here is what the tube looks like. So, of course, you know, I'll be using these aging products. There is one last thing in this box, and it is a palette. It is the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette. This retails for $35. I will show you what it looks like. I'm pretty sure I've had this palette before, so it is going to go in a giveaway. I think I had it like, I want to say 2 years ago, and I just didn't really use it, so I ended up giving it away. And there's nothing wrong with it. It's very beautiful, but I just didn't use it. Alright, last box we are unboxing is the BoxyCharm base box. And this is a $25 a month subscription as well. This is the card inside the box with the theme and of course the products on the back with a brief description. The first thing we got is Jecca Blac, I guess that's how you say it, Hydrating Primer, which retails for $20. I do love my primers, so this is a really good product for me to try. I don't know if it does anything special other than hydrate, but hydrating is still a great thing, especially if you are aging, because it helps keep your skin from aging as fast. So let's see what the tube looks like. Oh, that's kind of cute. Alright, the next thing we have is Able Skincare London Hyaluronic Acid Age Recovery Night Cream. And this retails for $114. This cream aims to restore skin's balance and infuse deep hydration and nourishment. It also works to improve skin texture while lessening the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. There we go. So again, another aging product, and I'm not mad at it. So there we go. The next thing in this box is GlamGlow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser, and this retails for $32. Says an advanced cleaner with a powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify skin by removing pore clogging debris, excessive oil, and face makeup. So I do wear my makeup, so yep. And that is a nice generous tube size, so very pleased with that as well. Okay, so the next thing we got here is Luna Magic Beauty Vava Voom Pink Lash Primer, and this retails for $25. It says, with just one sweep, this innovative primer mascara glides on to evenly coat and smooth your lashes to maximize the final result of your favorite mascara. It has a natural wax formula with a creamy texture and a new innovative emulsifier which adds volume and extra length. It's easy to apply and long lasting. So that is good, and you guys know I use the curling lash primer, so I am not mad about this. I will definitely try it. Obviously this one's not a curl, but if it makes my lashes look extra, I'm about that. So let's go ahead and see the tube. So here is the tube. I will probably be using this tomorrow with whatever mascara I use. And the last thing in this box is Touch in Soul Pretty Filter Gradient Makeup Palette. This retails for $34. It's a multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that uses your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect flirty flush. It says flush. That's weird, but okay. It's a face palette, and I do love Touch in Soul. If you're not familiar with them, they are a Korean brand. I think it's weird when they're made in other places. Like this is made in Taiwan, but it's a Korean brand. Alright, so this is what the palette looks like. I think that is so pretty. Let's see the colors on the inside. I actually really wanted this palette too, and I wasn't expecting to get it, so I am thrilled. this is so pretty. Look how they did that. Here are the colors of that palette swatched. Now, I think these colors are very versatile. The formula feels very versatile and creamy and smooth. So I'm pretty sure you can use this more than just your face. I'm sure you can use it on your eyes as well, and it'll probably work very nicely. I am super happy with my BoxyCharm. Alright, so that is it of this video, or these boxes. I will have more later in the month. But that is it for this video. So if you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know your favorite box below and why. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.